Well, they are waterproofing at least as soon as you put them into your case and shut everything, and then it is pretty straightforward to use. And as you see, there's a little remote control. You can control which colors and all that. So you can leave it in there a while and then remove it when the battery is empty, because you don't have to turn it on separately. You can just do that with the remote control. And yeah, that's basically what this is about. As you see, there's a bunch of color variations and options to choose from. So feel free, check it out if that's something you're looking for to upgrade your garden or your pool or whatever. As I said, different options here, and pretty straightforward. And that's gonna be it, guys.